Good morning and welcome to another Fast Tracks webinar. I'm Cullen Jorgensen, your host for today. I'm a new media designer here at Fast Tracks Solutions. This morning we'll be showcasing some new mass assign features in FTX digital signage. We'll learn about assigning to different locations using multiple accounts, how to set up a menu board in digital signage, and how to add multiple slides to a menu board. Fast Tracks webinars are a weekly event and happen every Friday at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we'll go over all the aspects of Fast Tracks software. You can preview and sign up for all upcoming webinars, as well as view all previous webinars by going to our website, goftx.com, and choosing FTX Lifeline at the top of the page. Then scroll halfway down the page and choose the View Webinars button. You can also take the more direct route by just typing goftx.com/webinars into your browser. You can sign up ahead of time and watch it stream live, or you can watch any previously streamed and recorded webinar in our archive at your leisure. We here at Fast Track Solutions are working hard to build a comprehensive video resource library of webinars, and we encourage you to watch our videos as many times as you'd like. Pause, take breaks, take notes, and absorb them at your own pace. There's a lot of exciting new functionality in FTX digital signage, and we'll be covering some of it today. If you're unfamiliar with FTX digital signage, you can watch our previous webinar videos shown here. Fast Track Solutions digital signage is more than a marketing tool. It's a turbocharged profit booster. Use in-store digital signs to display your menu or service listing, eliminating the need for costly printing of traditional menus and signs. Use the daypart scheduler to automatically rotate multiple ads throughout the day. Schedule ads weeks, months, or even years in advance with the timeline scheduler. Easily make on-the-fly changes from any device. Promote your slow movers to drive sales and reduce waste. Sell ad space on your digital signs to manufacturers or local businesses to create an additional revenue stream. Much thanks to AdPro designer Steve Chin, who will be helping walk us through the intricacies of FTX digital signage mass assign by assigning to multiple accounts and setting up a menu board. So let's jump right into it and learn about mass assign. Now, within Fast Track's Control Center, we'll start with our admin dashboard, and we're going to go up to our very top icon signage and pull down to mass assign. Click on mass assign, and it'll pull up a calendar of where all of our ads are going to be running, for how long, and what duration each one will run before it flips to the next. So let's add a couple new promotions. Just click on the little green plus sign next to the promotion. Choose advertisement, and it'll pull up your media. Now these are all ads that you can possibly run. Ads that you've built for your own business from our templates in AdPro. Here's a bunch of digital signage ads we can play around with. Let's go with food specials number 3, and then you can select assignment type. The assignment type allows you to customize the deployment of this content based on locations and devices, so we can assign everywhere, we can assign to specific locations, or we can assign to specific accounts. So we're going to select certain locations we'd like to assign this to. We've got a huge list of stores here that all have their own digital displays. So we're going to pick which stores, which displays specifically we want to push these ads to. And we're clicking these 4 locations. Press the little white arrows in the green square in the middle there with the rounded corners, and it'll push it over, and then you save it up. And now it'll make them active. Terrific. We have promotion 17 set up. Once you save the scheduler, it's all set. Now let's create another promotion. Promotion 18. Press the little green plus sign. So you're adding a new promotion. This is promotion 18, and you can choose your start time and end time down to the minute. It'll pop open your ads. Next, choose your advertisement. That are the correct size. We're doing a 1920 by 1080, the classic golden ratio dimensions of a flat screen TV. You're going to be pulling again from your uploaded media. We're selecting to assign it to specific accounts instead of specific locations. If you have multiple accounts, we can assign by account and location combinations. For example, if I'm managing 3 accounts, I may have this like account 1, all locations. Account 2, 12 locations. So some things you don't want to advertise in every location. You might want to break it up and put it in specific locations. Say you owned 12 candy stores and 12 liquor stores. You don't want to be advertising the candy in the liquor stores by selecting all. You don't want to be advertising the liquor and the candy, obviously. You can manage multiple accounts from one dashboard. Next, let's choose your advertisement on promotion 19. We're going to look at these different food specials and figure out which one we want to go with. We're going to pick food specials 10. And let's set up where we're going to assign it to. Let's just make this one assign everywhere, because every one of our stores has those burgers in this example. And save scheduler, save successful. Now we know it's updated, and that will now be added to every digital signage in every store you have. It's just that simple. We're going to create a new display. So go to add new under displays, and we're going to assign a name to our display. We're going to call this display Coffee Menu Test. You can change accounts here, add notifications, change the time zone, add content tags, and now we're going to save it up. Now we're going to deal with the content. On the right here, you have a big kind of rectangle. On the left, you have a vertical facing rectangle. We're going to switch the layout though, because we want to show you how you can maximize the amount of stuff you can show to your customers all on one digital sign. So this is a really cool format. It's like a puzzle almost. And choose an advertisement. Now the dimensions for the slides within this layout are 1280 by 720 for the biggest piece. The smaller pieces are 664 by 352. Those are dots per inch of a 72 dpi slide. And the 5 smallest pieces are 376 by 352 dpi. So you're going to want to create designs that are based on those proportions, so they'll fit right into those slots. We're scheduling these all out for 1 month. 1 month from the time they were created. We're dropping these 3, which are the exact same format. They're all 1280 by 720. And that will fit the big slot in our coffee menu. And since they're all playing for 10 seconds, this is how it'll look. It's going to see a little preview here to show how they're going to change. They'll be rotating on a 10-second rotation. And now we're going to choose a design for the smaller spots. Coffee and Danish from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. So you can schedule that to run just from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. or you can schedule it to run at a different time telling you when exactly that's going to run, almost like a preview. say like you had a special for breakfast and it was nighttime, you could have your tomorrow's morning promotions, which, it would say something like currently not available, but available mornings. That way you're giving people a little preview of what they can get the next day. Colombian roast, cappuccino. Gonna pick some more. I'm not go with toys or dog chews. This is coffee, so let's get something coffee related. Cafe latte. That's a new item. I'm gonna spotlight new items. You can throw them in there and just throw them into the mix. Espresso, yeah. Mocha. Ooh, another new item. Grand latte. Espresso. Let's put it in there. Come on, Steve. Go for it. Mocha. There you go. New flavors. We're only spotlighting the new stuff. And espresso on the end. There you go. So throw the new stuff in the middle so it gets nice, gets everyone's eyes. And your eyes go to the middle of the page, I guess. So that's it. That's how to throw a menu together. And then you just save it up. And for the next month, this is what will be happening. In this specific menu, you can only schedule changes on the upper left largest image. So you can only have slides fade one to the other on the top left image. The others are all static. If you were to create day parts, say you had a morning board and middle of the afternoon board, a night board, you could create 3 almost identical boards and just have the, say, top right image not be about the morning, or change some of these into like night drinks or cocktails or something like that. And that could be your second or third board, and it would just seamlessly at the certain day parts switch from one board to the next, and no one would be the wiser. While this campaign is running, say in the middle of the month, say you ran out of some product or a price went up or down, you could change the slide manually, alter the price, and republish it with the new slide. It's really well set up to be able to customize to your specific needs. So that's all I intended to cover today. I hope you learned some new things, and I hope it'll help you better use FTX digital signage. We learned about assigning to different locations and using multiple accounts. We learned about setting up menu boards in digital signage. And we learned how to add multiple slides to a menu board. As a reminder, these Fast Tracks webinars are weekly events that happen every Friday morning at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time and 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can view all upcoming webinars by heading over to our website, goftx.com, and choosing FTX Lifeline at the top of the page. Then scroll halfway down the page and choose the View Webinars button. You can also take the more direct route by just typing goftx.com/webinars into your browser. This will load all our previous webinars, where you can watch the recordings, as well as upcoming webinars, with options to sign up for them. I hope everyone has a great weekend and week, and I hope you join us next week. Special thanks to Steve for the design and digital walkthrough.